So seriously, if I can do this, anyone can. This sewing machine hates me. It's like Siri's great-grandmother. So here is a customer sending back a top that the shoulder straps were too long. So they have pinned it and returned it. I'm going to measure that strap length, but they want it to be shorter, and then we'll see what happens next. So you measure the loop. I can't really hold the phone and this at the same time, but it is approximately 1.5 inches. So we're gonna, of course, double that, and we're gonna remove 3 inches of length from the strap. You're gonna find the pad opening in your top. In this case, it's at the bottom. Hold the bathing suit inside out, and we're going to remove the stitches here. Literally just cut it off as tight by the stitching as possible with the scissors. Then pull the strap out the length that we want to shorten it, so it's 3 inches. I'm going to pin it. I like to go through the elastic on both sides and the strap to hold it kind of tight and snug together. I like to drop the needle down into the elastic before I even start, so this doesn't slip around. As you can see, I've sewn back and forth 5 times, trying to sew across the same line as much as possible, including the strap, the fabric, and the elastic. And I'm going to repeat this process on the second strap. Second shoulder strap is done. Now I'm literally going to cut off all of the excess after the sew line. So now it looks like this. Just going to pull the strap back through. Again, hard to show and hold at the same time. Here we are. Just kind of fold it around a little bit to get it flat. And I've got the altered top. One last tip before you start sewing, make sure the strap is not twisted